Nation.
And together,
We're
Sugarland. And we're going to show you our dancey dance today. We're going to learn it together.
It's called the electric eel. And it goes like this. Put one hand out.
Put one hand out.
Swim to the side.
Swim to the side. Take your other hand. Swim to the other side. Swim to the side.
Now put your hands together and swim real big.
Two big swims.
Big swim.
Yeah. And then we're going to shake it on down